Lot number 209 is a 2005 International 4300 DT466 dump truck. This truck turns over, but it does not start. It's got the 7.6 liter diesel engine, and according to the shop, mechanically the truck was good. They think it may have electrical issues. So it's got 195,000 miles. It's a 2005. Truck shows wear and tear. I'm gonna turn it over so you could hear what it does, but we even tried starting fluid and could not get it started. There are the miles, 195, 419. I'll show you how engine hours. I took pictures of all the hours. Make sure you look through all the pictures. Here we go. I'm gonna hit the key so you can hear it. That's all we get out of it. I don't want to drain the battery completely. We tried spraying starting fluid. We could not get it to start. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. According to the shop, motor and transmission were good when it was parked. I could still smell the ether, but we could not get it going. So mechanically, we don't know much about it. It's being sold as is. Now I'll show you what I see around. The front bumper is dented. It's got a big dent right here. It's got a crack, shows surface rust. The headlights are dull. The hood looks good. I'm trying to see if it has any cracks anywhere. The hood appears to be in good shape. The grille is cracked. Oh yeah, the hood is cracked right here. Big crack on the driver's side. All matching steel wheels. Tires look fair. Doors look good. The cab will need a good cleaning. Driver's side door panel is cracked. Seat looks good. Headliner is torn and hanging. The city charged up these batteries and we got it to turn over, so they did pick up some charge. The bed appears to be in good shape, but I do see rust holes in the bottom. They appear to have been repaired. It's hard for me to get up here and show you, but I can hold the iPad up right over this little lip here and you can get an idea. That's the only angle I can give you there, because I'm going in between the row here and going through this little gap. So I'll do the same thing on the passenger side. Tires show dry rot. It's been out of service for a while. It's been sitting here in the same spot. The dump bed appears to be solid. See if I can get it open here. Give you a sneak peek. Alright, so now we get a better view of the dump bed. Looks like it's had rust issues and it's been repaired. I still see some rust holes here, but I'm sure it's still very usable. Alright, now here's the passenger side. Again, the dump bed itself appears to be solid. The tires are holding air, but they do show cracks and dry rot. Here's the passenger side. The door looks good. And the hood is cracked on the other side. We already saw. Door panel looks good. Passenger side seats look good. All right, and that's it. That's all I can tell you. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's lot number 209. It's a 2005 International dump truck. Good luck.